What's the meaning of alpine skiing? Alpine skiing. Alpine skiing. Alpine skiing. Alpine skiing. Alpine skiing.
Alpine skiing is a type of skiing that takes place on a mountain or hillside. Skiers use skis with fixed heel bindings to slide down slopes covered in snow. The sport requires physical strength, balance, and quick reflexes. Alpine skiing can be dangerous if proper precautions are not taken, but it is enjoyed by millions of people around the world as a thrilling way to experience the beauty of mountainous terrain. Skiers can reach high speeds and make impressive jumps and turns, making it a popular competitive sport at both amateur and professional levels.